Right, this is a very simple installation of a Virident stroke HGST stroke STEC PCIe card, and we've just basically done a uname at the top to check the version of Linux. It's a Red Hat, and we've just basically done an ls PCI to ensure that the physical card is there. You can see it there. It's this mass storage controller, and the device is Rev04. We've then got a driver, an RPM for that card. I'm just copying that down, and we're just going to do an RPM install, which is RPM IVF, the driver name, and that's actually brought up our driver, and it's successfully loaded the driver for that card. As you can see there, it's come up with the device name and the nodes, and at this point what we normally would do is put a file system on it. So we're going to use a format command. You can see it here, and it's literally saying mkfs minus t the type, and then obviously the dev here, which is skd0. That's going to format up that, remarking the super blocks on the card, and simply put an ext4 file system on it. When this is complete, what we're then going to do is basically create a directory in the MNT area, and the key thing about that is we're going to then obviously mount this raw partition to a device area in the MNT area so that it can be actually accessed. So it's just come back there saying writing inode tables are done. And you can see it's pretty straightforward and quick format. So when this completes, it will say completed at the bottom, and then literally from there we start to, as I said before, put on the file system. We can then actually load on the extra package management if we want to run some command lines, and there it is finally competing, so the IDO table is written. And we can then literally just mount it and then do a DF and explain exactly what file systems are available in the space available to use. So here we go. Let's just literally and simply type a command to make the directory. There it is, flash 1100. And we simply mount it. Job done.